Hey guys, welcome to question FM192 of the Further Maths Fortify study guide. This question reads, a family borrowed $1 million to build a giant statue of Steve Irwin in their backyard. Interest is calculated at the rate of 3.5% per annum, compounding monthly. The family will make monthly payments of $5,000. After a number of monthly repayments, the balance of the loan will be reduced to $525,180. What percentage of the next monthly repayment will reduce the balance of the loan? Write your answer correct to the nearest percentage. Now there's a couple of ways to do this. You could do this using Finance Solver. There should be a way to do it that way, but I'm going to show you just by doing some calculations, and I really do actually like this question because it requires students to understand the cogs that are turning in these concepts. So our first calculation is going to be how much interest is paid in the next repayment. We know that we're making repayments of $5,000 a month, so we can calculate the interest that will be paid from that repayment, and from that we can figure out how much is actually going to be going towards reducing the principal. So we know that we owe $525,180 when we're looking at making the next repayment. So if we take that amount and we find 3.5% interest per year, but we're looking at a monthly amount, so that 3.5 is going to be divided by 12 and then put over 100. Chucking this into a calculator, we'll find a 12th of 3.5% of $525,180, and that should give you an answer of $1,531.775. Now you could round this into a dollar value if you want to. You can make it 0.78, but you'll get the same answer either way. I'm just going to leave it as the most exact form here for now. So this amount here is the interest that needs to be paid next month. So out of our $5,000, $1,531.78 is going to go towards interest, which means the rest of it is going to go towards reducing the balance of the loan. So let's figure out what that amount is. We'll take our 5,000 and minus 1,531.775 from it. And we should, if we plug that into a calculator, get an answer of 3,468.225. So getting to this stage would be your first mark. That would be it here, finding the amount that we're actually reducing it by. But that's not what we're asked to do. We're asked to find the percentage of the next monthly repayment that will reduce the balance of the loan. So we have to take this amount that is we'll call that principal reduction. So we have to find this as a percentage of our $5,000. So we take our 3,468.225 over 5,000 and then multiply that out by 100 to get that as a percentage. Plugging that into a calculator once again should give us a value of 69.3645, which of course rounded to the nearest percentage is 69%. And there's your answer. Guys, if you have any questions about how we've done this, please drop them in the comments below. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video.